Release agents, also known as mold release agents, are used to prevent plastics or rubber parts from sticking to molds during production. Without them, manufacturers may face problems like damaged parts, surface defects, and longer production cycles. Their main function is simple. They create a protective layer between the polymer and the mold surface, allowing parts to be released smoothly after shaping. But their benefits go beyond just preventing sticking. Release agents help reduce cycle time, improve surface quality, and extend the lifespan of molds by reducing friction and wear. In many cases, they can significantly increase production efficiency. There are two main types of release agents. First, external release agents. These are applied directly onto the mold surface, usually as sprays or coatings. They are easy to use but often require repeated application and may leave residues that affect further processing like printing or coating. Second, internal release agents. These are added directly into the polymer during processing. As the material cools, they migrate to the surface and form a consistent lubricating layer. Internal release agents, especially fatty acid amides, are widely preferred in the modern production. Their effectiveness comes from their molecular structure. One part of the molecule stays within the polymer, while the other moves to the surface, creating a low-friction layer that enables smooth demolding. At Topwellgoal, we provide high-quality oleochemical-based release agents designed for plastic, rubber, coatings, and other industrial applications. With years of experience and global supply capability, we support manufacturers with reliable and efficient solutions. We welcome manufacturers, distributors, and partners worldwide to collaborate with us.